These are simple enough to follow. We are used to in-person meetings, so this is a reality check, expectations versus realities. I am Ravi Varanasi, spouse of Rotarian Aarti Varanasi. I'll be your master of ceremony this evening. 23rd installation ceremony of RC City on 25th June 2020. A historic day in the life of RC City, I should say, for more reasons than one. And the second reason is this. On 25th June 1983, 37 years ago, we lifted our World Cup. So today, history was made 37 years ago, and today, amidst the pandemic, history is being repeated in RCCT. We are having a virtual installation. So here are just to set some expectations straight. Expecting cheese is okay, which means smooth flow of events is okay, but prepare for shock as well. There will be some friction. It's been a while since I did this, so I'm quite rough on the edges, as you can see. What you are used to is expectation. What you get is reality. So usually when you go to the installation meetings, there's an usherer to open your car door at the front porch. At this time, there's no porch nor a car. So get used to it. There will be display signs in the lobby to get you to the function hall. It is in your own home. So find yourself a nice place and be comfortably seated. You are used to a room filled with fragrant flowers and citrus perfumes. It is going to be a heady cocktail of. You really want me to read it, but okay, for the benefit of everybody, I will still read it. You'll have some pleasant sights and mood lighting in hotels, in function halls. It's the same old tube lights staring down on you, my friends. Usually two MCs sharing voice time for the evening. This is going to be my phone and tenor for the next 2 hours, so you got to suffer me. At this point of time, I am non-negotiable. Sergeant and Rams are going to be, you would have seen them busily strutting around, making sure things are in the perfect shape and they are in place. We got walked over. The installation committee actually got walked over by Casey over the last 2 days, so we are as fit as a fiddle to take this program forward. Outgoing secretary would have been rehearsing the report at this point had it been, but she might still be rehearsing it, but you can't see her. The incoming team will be adjusting blazers or collars and pleats of one another. Here, just like you bring your own booze, do it yourself. People go up to the podium to speak. Here, people are going to be comfortably seated. Get used to it. Be generous with applause. You can be here as well, but unfortunately, you're muted. Normally, in installation ceremonies, you are gracious in ignoring glitches. Here, you have to be more than gracious. You have to be benevolent at overlooking blunders. Having said that, this is my side. I am technically challenged on the proficient use of Zoom. I'm more used to using MS Teams. So if you see something on the screen which shouldn't be there, tell me or raise your hand. I'll play it all over again. We can't strictly follow all the protocols, and this is for district officials and sergeant at arms and DGE. We will try to maintain as much as possible, but some breaches are requested to be excused. Like you would wait for someone to walk up to the podium to speak, allow time for me to get to my video and play it. There will be bandwidth issues and people are live, so patience is required. And if there is a problem in all of these, just none of it is worth worrying me. So I expect kindness at the end of the show. RCCT folks, please stay back after the event. We have a photo session, and there is a request from the incoming club service director to get your selfies as well and put it on the WhatsApp group. So with that, I'm going to say let's have a great celebration, RCCT style. And what we're going to do is we're going to be starting this evening's function with a invocation from our own Rotarian Prasad, and I would request everybody to be muted and maintain silence and think of all the people whom you've served and think of the outgoing team, gratitude to them for having taken us through a beautiful year, and think of all the good intentions for the incoming team as well. So with that, here is the invocation.
Ravi, audio valla.
जैसे पहले खुद को जय करे हमको मन की शक्ति दे साफ कर सके भेदभाव अपने दिल से साफ कर सके दूसरों से भूल हो तो माफ कर सके झूठ से बचे रहे सच का दम भरे झूठ से बचे रहे सच का दम भरे दूसरों की जैसे खुद को जय करे हमको मन की
Thank you, Rotarian Prasad. That was a lovely invocation, invoking all the right spirits into the Zoom room. Without further ado, President Rajesh Narang, if you could kindly call the meeting to order, please. Unmute
Sure. Thank you, Ravi Bhai. Good evening and welcome to one and all to this prestigious event of 23rd installation of our RCCT President, Rotarian R.M. Suresh. First, I would like to thank RCCT members for giving me the responsibility to run the club and holding our RCCT flag high. I was once told from our senior members, President is the servant of the club. Yes, this was there in my mind from the day one I accepted to take up the presidentship. Big thanks to my advisor, Rotarian Sagar, my trainer, Rotarian Krishna Chanda. They both were the pillars who stood beside me all the time. Thank you, past President Rotarian Gopal Anna, for the silent support. Big thanks to my board members. We call this as a Lakshya board, and our Lakshya was service, bonding, fellowship, and fun. Now about my board, Lakshya board. Rotarian Jayashree, the secretary, very active, a good friend, guide. She played a role very well and perfect. In fact, I would like to tell past President Krishna Chanda, my secretary is much better than your secretary in the year 13-14. Rotarian Satish Jupiter, club service. Singham, the life of the club. Very well organized club trip, speaker meetings and events. Real man behind the energy of our club. Rotarian Shalin Shah, treasurer, perfect and very professional gentleman, very dependable. Big thanks to Reena ji to be his support. Medical, R.M. Suresh, Rotarian R.M. Suresh. Thank you, Anna, for all your dedicated time towards Manali and all the health camps you conducted. Rotarian Satish Kandimala, community service, a very committed Rotarian. He kept the club busy in all projects from the day one. Rotarian Krishna Kumar, youth director. Brilliant support, never give up attitude. Supported Rotaract and interacts with good strength. Rotarian Ajay, membership chair. Proud of you, my dear Ajay. You added 7 beautiful flowers to the garden of RCCT. God bless you. Rotarian Ramakrishna Mani, vocational chair. Thank you for all your efforts in arranging job fairs and vocational camps. Dr. Sumedha, foundation, cool and very friendly, very committed. We did more than the committed figures to our district. God bless you and your family, doctor. Rotarian Prasad, literacy chair. Excellent projects in literacy area. God bless you and Anumis. Rotarian Vinita Venkatesh, international chair. Big thanks for representing our club and exchanging flags, also attending international projects. Rotarian Venkatesh, public image. Thank you for keeping our social media up to date with information for all the great coverage in press, media, and all our events. Rotarian Hitesh Shah, Polio Chair, thank you for conducting polio camps and for fundraising, $2, 2 drops, also reaching the wedding anniversary gifts to all our members. Thank you, Hitesh Bhai. How can I forget my dearest chair, project chairs? Shobhaji, fundraiser, the energetic, committed goddess Mahalakshmi of RCCT. Thank you, Shobhaji, for the wonderful fundraiser. God bless you. Past President Rotarian Shri Kumar, Voice of District Chair. Big thanks to you, dear Shri, for taking BOD to a greater heights. Avatar Chair, Mala Vijay Kumar, a very proud grandmother of 4 lovely kids and a huge energy to take up any responsibility. I salute you for giving a very grand and a blessed event, Avatar. God bless you and your family. Past President Rotarian Sanjay Dattatri, our Global Grand Chair. Thank you, Sanjay, for being there. I'm sure you are going to successfully get us our Global Grant. Past President Rotarian Umapati, Project Chair for Amjigare Dialysis Center. Big thanks, Mr. Fit, for the commitment taken. I'm sure you're going to deliver the same as Rotary Dialysis Center. Bulletin team, and Anita, and Sandhya, Dr. Geeta, Rotarian Padmaja. Thanks for your precious time and efforts taken for delivering the best bulletin. A big salute to all the brilliant quality teamwork. God bless you all. Super big thanks to one and all in my RCCT family, Rotarians and Anets, for your wishes and blessings. Finally, big thanks to my Pondati and my lovely family for standing beside me, giving full support. Special thanks to my dear daughter Pooja Naran for all the time support. God bless you, Pooja. Thank you.
Thank you, President Rajesh Narang. For the benefit of everybody else, here is the outgoing board. I would request you all to put your hands together for the Lakshya board. I hope you're able to see my screen and hear me well. I apologize for the glitch in the invocation. I realized halfway through that audio wasn't on. So Prasad, apologize for that, but nevertheless, a lovely second half. Moving along, at this time, I would like to invite the Secretary, Jayashree, to present her Secretary's report for Rotary Year 1920. Jayashree, over to you. Please unmute yourself.
Thank you, Ravi. Good evening, Rotarians, Chief Guest, District Governor-elect Rotarian Muthapalniappan, and distinguished guests and my dear RCCT family. This has been a year of learning for all of us. The term new normal is just settling in. The collective leadership and expertise of Rotary is to tackle some of the world's biggest challenges, locally and globally. We are facing one such mammoth challenge, and we will emerge from this. This meeting today signifies how Rotary has continued to work during this pandemic by conducting events and meetings online. To the credit of our President and Chennai Towers, we recently celebrated our Charter Night like never before, in which we had over 90 participants, including members of the other clubs and district officials. For the sake of brevity, I will be touching upon some of the projects we did. The presentation that follows will show all of the work that was done this year. Some of the highlights of the year: we did 111 projects, spent 2,600 man-hours, and over 120,000 beneficiaries. An assortment of wonderful projects were done. To name a few: Balamitra, distribution of nutritious food to primary school children; regular contribution of rice to Anbaga, a home for abandoned and mentally challenged person. We celebrated Independence Day, Diwali, and Pongal with the children of various schools. Project Sunshine, in association with Rotary Club of Satyamangalam, where we donated wet grinders, solar heaters, and hand washing station to a school. Provision kits and meals were distributed to those affected by lockdown. We continue to support 2 medical centers, which now treat around 7,600 patients per month. This year, the center was enhanced with the setting up of an eye, dental, physio center, and a basic diagnostic lab. Close to a lakh of patients have undergone treatment at these centers. Project Balanetra this year has treated over 100 babies, preventing blindness. 147 cataract surgeries carried out free of cost. The RCCT Dialysis Center at Rotary, now in its second year, has benefited close to 300 renal patients, providing 5,950 free dialysis treatments. 9 medical and 4 blood camps were conducted, collected about 290 units of blood and donated to VHS. In vocational service, we conducted career counseling for the children at Porur Girls High School, teacher training workshop on entrepreneurship development was done. We also joined hands with RC Marathi in distributing sewing machines. We contributed for training 5 lady auto drivers as part of the Pink Auto project. 5 vocational awards were given to organizations recognizing their contributions and work done for the marginalized, underprivileged, and differently abled. As part of WINS, we held workshops on menstrual hygiene, clean drinking water, and hand washing awareness before COVID at schools. We participated in Siragagal Interact Raila. We conducted the Raila for the Rotaractors from KRMM College and RCCT Community Rotract, which saw 50 participants. Polio awareness program was done at Chennai Central Metro Station. On Polio Immunization Day, 9,231 children were immunized. As part of our international avenue, we exchanged flags with Rotary Clubs of Singapore, Mount Lavinia, and Düsseldorf. We added 6 members this year, out of which 3 are women. In all, we have 12 women Rotarians, and this brings it up to 24% of RCCT members. We had an assortment of interesting speakers, ranging from a food historian, a mentalist with subjects spanning music, education, music, business etiquette, blood cancer and stem cell donation, etc. We had 8 fellowships, superbly organized club trip to Kodaikanal, and our unique family event Avatar, which celebrates our parents. The 11th edition of BOD was conducted grandly with over 200 participants. RCCT has the distinction of having an app for its members to use on mobile devices. Apart from that, we are active on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram with 500 Rotary clubs from across the globe as followers. Our signature events have been widely covered in the print media, both in English and Tamil language publications. Our bulletin Towers Times have been coming out regularly every month, covering all the activities, acknowledging milestones and announcing major events. RCCT was also part of several district and joint club projects. We participated in 2 milestone events, the felicitation of Rotary International Director-elect Rotarian Venkatesh and felicitation of Governor-elect Rotarian Dr. Nandakumar. What do we have in common? The spouses of both are Rotarians of RCCT, Rotarian Vinita Venkatesh and Rotarian Sumedha Nandakumar. I would like to thank all the participants who have joined us today in this online event and would especially like to acknowledge the help of Anita in helping me put together the presentation that you're going to see. I'm going to take this occasion to thank President Rajesh Narang for having me on board and reposing his trust in me. On behalf of the 2019-20 board, thanks to District Governor Rotarian Chandramohan, District Secretary Club Reports and GOV Rotarian Dr. Venkatramana, District Secretary Admin Rotarian Ganpati Suresh, Assistant Governor Rotarian Dr. Arun Kumar, RCCT Rotarians, ANS and ANETs. Thank you. Over to you, Ravi, for the presentation.
Yeah, thanks, Jayashree. At this point of time, I would like to request everybody to pay attention to the video, and Rotarian Rajendran, if you could kindly do the honors.
Yes, please. வீடியோ ஆன் பண்ணுங்க, ஆடியோ ஒன்லி ப்ளே பண்ணுங்க.
Yeah, there's no video.
I think it's the second file.
There is no video coming.
Video coming.
Do you want me to try it?
Just a minute. Yeah, try please.
Okay. Hang on, folks. We're having some technical glitches here, and this is precisely what I was alluding to in the disclaimer. Just give me a second. We'll sort this out.
Can we go on PowerPoint presentation, please?
You can try that through PowerPoint and a screen.
Rajendran, it is
Screen
the
share?
second file in that folder. நீங்க ப்ளே பண்ணீங்க இல்லையா அதுக்கு கீழே இருக்கிறது. That's the video file.
It's a PowerPoint presentation.
Wow. That work of 2,600 man hours, capturing that in 8 minutes would have taken you at least 26 hours, Jayashree. Well done, well done.
Thank you.
And there you go, folks. That's what you achieved in the last year, despite the hurdles in the second half, which is no mean feat, by the way. Now the time has come, and this is going to be a very daunting task. There are 208 participants on this Zoom call. And I've been given the pleasant task of recognizing visiting Rotarians, which are approximately 60% of that number. So I'm assuming somewhere around 120. I will be taking some time. I will be reading out only your names. Pardon me for that. I don't have information on your clubs. So bear with me while I thank you for joining us this evening. And here's the list. We welcome AG Arun Kumar, incoming AG Ashraf, Raghavendra Rao, Maithili Muralidharan, Padmanabhan, PDG Khanna. Good evening, sir. R. Srinivasan, Natarajan, incoming District Secretary Ramesh, Dakshayani Meenambakam. Oh, sorry, that was a club name. Hi, Rotarian Dakshayani. Venkat Ramani, Dr. Vasudha, Vasanti Kumar Ashirvadam, Punyamurthy, Dr. Sriram, District Secretary Ganapati Suresh, good evening. Okay, so that was a message for me. It said somewhere here, the message says, Machan getting out of control. So, Gautam Botra, SNB, I don't know what that means, but whoever you are, welcome. SN Balasubramaniam, I stand corrected. Dev, Dr. Sangaran, AG designates Balaji, Sridhar, Palani. PDG Nazar sir, good evening. DRFC Ambalavan, good evening. DGND Nandakumar, good evening. AG designate Venkat. Mohan Raghavan, my good friend. Natarajan, all connecting presidents and secretaries, all incoming presidents and secretaries, all other visiting district officials. That's it for now. We will take the next half at the next available opportunity. Thank you for joining us. It's now time to move ahead, and this is a carefully crafted introduction. We have past President Rotarian Sagar introducing the incoming President RM Suresh, and if you'll give me a minute, you will see, or rather hear Rotarian Sagar. Give me a minute, please. And I hope
President Rajesh Narang, good friend and District Governor-elect Muthu Palniappan, visiting dignitaries, Rotarians, aunts and friends, good evening. RM Suresh is a charter member of Chennai Towers. He is a native of Devakotai, and Suresh's father was a stockbroker. Suresh took over his father's business, and today he's a leading stockbroker and a member of the National Stock Exchange. Suresh did his schooling at St. George's Homes at Ketti near Ooty. Later on, he graduated in business administration from the Ramaya College in Bangalore. RM Suresh has held various positions in our club so far. During the charter year, he started off as the Occasional Services Director. He was later on appointed as the Treasurer and served twice as the Director of Community Services Medical. He has so far served for 8 years as the coordinator for various medical centers established in partnership with Chennai Petroleum Corporation Limited, through which the club has provided free medical consultation, diagnostics, treatment, and medicine for over 5 lakh patients so far. From the time he joined Rotary, he was always attached to some satisfying project. During his early Rotary days, he was associated with a government school in Pulicat, thereby helping students join the school from nearby villages. Thereafter, he was busy enrolling underprivileged girls in nursing courses, after which he secured job placements successfully for them in reputed hospitals. Suresh also laid the foundation of our club's partnership with Chennai Petroleum Corporation many years ago. He organized the very first meeting between the club and Chennai Petro during my term as president of the club. He has taken this relationship with Chennai Petro to greater heights year after year through his tireless dedication, hard work, and focus. Going forward, Suresh would like to be associated with projects to regenerate lakes and other water bodies. Suresh comes from a family that owned several race horses, and his love for animals started from there. He is a passionate dog breeder. He has participated in numerous kennel club competitions and won several national level prestigious prizes. Soft as he might seem, there is a wild side to him. He likes to go on long drives, and I went with him once long back and decided never to travel with him in the same car. He was such a crazy driver. Suresh is able to spend and dedicate time in Rotary because he not only has the support of his family, but also the support of his business partner, Kasturi Rangan. Coming to his family, Suresh describes his wife, Anne Sivagami, as a soft-spoken but courageous lady, which is so true. Sivagami has been running a well-established travel company for many years now. His daughter, Shweta, works for Amazon, and his son Ramanathan is pursuing architecture at NIT Trichy. He is a shy and soft-spoken person who was always in the background, silently but passionately driving projects. He will seldom speak about his accomplishments, and that is something I love about him, apart from his childlike innocence. When I asked him to tell me about one life-changing event, without hesitation, he said joining Rotary was a life-changing event for him. Now, gentle people, to lead our club through the year 2021, I'm proud to introduce to you the new president of Chennai Towers, a hard-working and committed Rotarian, good friend and fine gentleman, R.M. Suresh.
Okay, so that was an awesome introduction, Rotarian Sagar. I would now request the outgoing President Rajesh Naran to hand over the gavel and the collar to incoming President R.M. Suresh in a socially distanced style, and we do have that. So if you all bear with me for a second, we will get that underway. There you go.
All the best.
Okay, folks, that was that.
Thank the Almighty for all that He has shown on me and my family. My pranams to my Guru, Kanchi Shankaracharya, who has blessed to me for this new position. My gratitude to my wife Shivagami and the children who have stood by me through all my challenges in personal and professional life, who have committed to travel this journey along with me. My partner Kasturi Rangan has also been backbone to me in encouraging service activity. RCCT, the extended family for the last 22 years, I have not bitten the bullet till this time. Though being a chartered member, I am grateful to the members of reposing this trust in me. I would request the support of ANTS and members in this journey. I am embarking to the continue a good work to the society. My congrats to Rajesh and his board for an outstanding year given to RCCT, be it project, fundraiser, fellowship, or events. Rajesh is everywhere with enthusiasm, took RCCT to the higher platform with his efforts. But for COVID-19, he would have leaped another 4 to 5 steps ahead. Even during the lockdown period, he gave away groceries to the needies and fodder to the poshalas and masks to the needy people. I had an opportunity to handle the Manali Center for the last 8 years, and given me a lot of learnings as a ground level changes, which you provide service. I'm sure that the blessings of 5 lakh plus beneficiaries who have got free medical and treatment had only made all the RC cities better people. Being good support from members for this project, especially the ants, which encouraged me to take up the president mantle. DJ Muthu has been constant pillar of encouragement and been interacting for last year plus. I've got a lot of support from other district officials till date, which is exposed me to the outside world of Rotary. There are a lot of other continuous projects which is further the feasibility basis. We hope to implement a second dialysis unit, which is grant application just been filled. I would like to do something to the environment side. Already started groundwork in envisage lake cleaning project from our club. Current pandemic environment will shape our future course of action. Whether in person or remote, the club will continue its scale of activities. Fundraisers and our special events like Voice of District need to be done differently. And the new board will put the hands together. Overall, we plan to do balanced activity across all avenues with the interest of reaching the poor and needy. My special thanks to my friends, relatives, and initiatives who have joined this function. The current scenario has given limited opportunity to meet my president-elects and secretary-elects. I thank them for joining in, and I'm sure you will be guests of RCC in future when physical meeting starts. We start the year by giving breakfast for little drops on Sundays, which is sponsored by Ram and Shobha. We Rotarians and Ants will be there, and from there on the year starts, which is on July 1st. Revenue, the project is about value of about 25,000. Thank you, Shobha and Ram. The incoming board is already met and started their planning meetings, and I'm confident that our team will deliver in all above par excellence. My thanks again to RCCT family, members, and I'm sure we will rock together. Cheers, RCCT and Rotary. Back to Ravi.
Well, that was a fantastic speech, President Suresh, and it was very nice to see you saying, let's rock it, and the cheers and all of that. That's awesome, man, you got it. So having said that, friends, you saw history being made right there amongst friends and family. And somewhere along the line, Suresh did mention about his incoming team. So I think it's about time we meet them as well. Bear with me while I bring them up to you one by one. All right, folks. This is going to take a little bit of your focus and patience, and maybe a little bit more of your attention. So here goes. Okay. So that was Team T20 for you. I hope the descriptions fitted the profiles. At least some of them did, honestly. But we will take another moment here to recognize we have still some people to be recognized out of the 206. So we will take. Okay, someone's cooking biryani, guys. Yeah,
Please mute everybody.
yeah, I did. But then somebody insisted that they share their dinner menu as expected. So mutton biryani, chicken biryani going on in somebody's house, guys, just in case you want to know where dinner is tonight. So with that, let me get on with the second half. Again, apologies. We may not be able to recognize everybody who's on the Zoom call, but we are trying our best. Here's the next list. AG Designate Magdum, I apologize if I mispronounced your name. Raja Sriram, Rotarian Ram Ramurthy, a good friend, Ravi Raman, Dr. Vetri, Jayanathan, Vikas Chandra, Rotarian Dakshayani Venkatesh, a good friend of the club, and Amrud, I hope I got your name right. And that's the list I have so far. The usual all connecting presidents and secretaries, all incoming presidents and secretaries, and all visiting district officials. If I have missed any names, I apologize. It's time to get RCCT out of the limelight and get to the second hero of the evening. To invite or introduce him, who actually needs no introduction to RCCT and vice versa. I still have to welcome AG Rotarian Ashraf to introduce our DG Rotarian Muthuparniyappan. All over to you, AG.
Yeah, good evening all. I'm audible?
Yeah, you are.
Firstly, I want to congratulate the outgoing president, my good friend Rajesh Narang and team for their wonderful performance for this year, and wish incoming president, my good friend Suresh, Secretary Venkat and his team for a fabulous year ahead. That was a very nice presentation of your board. Wish you all the best. Now, I am proud to introduce our very own Central Adityan District Governor-elect Muthuparniyappan. Great leaders don't set out to be a leader. They set out to make a difference. It's never about the role, always about the goal. DG Muthuparniyappan, the Captain Cool for 2021. He is the king of a vast empire, a civil and structural engineer from Annamalai University, and also he is the chairman and managing director of Chettinad Housing in Chennai and has completed projects over 1 million square feet till date. He joined the magnificent kingdom that is none other than our Rotary Club of Madras Central Aditya in the year 1997 and took the throne as the president in the year 2009-10. During his tenure, club was renewed with the highest contribution to the Rotary Foundation, besides undertaking many significant service projects. In his tenure, Rotary Club of Madras Central Aditya was awarded the most coveted Platinum Award and the presidential citation that led the start of building his Rotary empire. He has raised himself deserving the throne by holding several positions in the district, including CES Chairman 2013, District Rotary Foundation Chairman 2013-16, Revive Chennai Chairman 2015, District Conference Saga Chairman 2017, District Assembly Chairman 2017, District Club Service Director 2017, and District Awards Chairman 2018. In most of his assignments, I am honored to serve under his team and also feel privileged to be the Assistant Governor under his dynamic leadership. One of his important roles includes serving as District Rotary Foundation Committee Chair. During his term, the gross contribution from the district to TRF was $2.25 million and grants to the tune of over $2.5 million were executed. Another important mention is that he was the district chairman for Revive Chennai in the year 2015, a mega flood relief program for Chennai floods. He, along with his team, rehabilitated more than 6,500 families in Chennai by providing relief kits within a span of 30 days at a total project value of 2.2 crores. His team of ministers proved a kingdom can be saved from great calamities with an amazing coordination and teamwork. He has attended Rotary International Conventions at Bangkok, Seoul, and Hamburg. He has also attended Rotary Foundation training at the Rotary International Assembly held at San Diego in the year 2013 and the Governor-Elect Training Seminar again in the International Assembly held at San Diego in the year 2020. He has also been official aide to many visiting RA dignitaries during their visits to Chennai. He has received many awards and recognitions at the district level and is also a recipient of the Meritorious Service Award by the Rotary Foundation in the year 2016. The queen of his life is Anne Kamala. She is the managing partner of Food Style, which specializes in residential interiors. She is a member and past president of Inner Wheel Club of Madras Central Aditya. DGE Muthupalaniappan and his spouse Kamala have contributed more than $250,000 and they are Art Club Society members of the Rotary Foundation. They are blessed with 2 daughters. Nidhi is a final year medical student at Sri Ramachandra Medical University and Mirnali is doing her final year of schooling in Chennai. Now, I request our Captain Cool, District Governor-elect Muthupalaniappan to address the gathering. Thank you.
Thank you, my dear good friend Ashraf, Assistant Governor Ashraf. My yet another good friend, outgoing President Rajesh Narang, Secretary Jayashree, President-elect and the newly adorned President of Chennai Towers, Suresh, incoming First Lady Shivakami, Assistant Governor Syed Ashraf, GGR Saravanan, my co-president in your club, Sriram Raju and Shobha, T20 trainer Ishwar Prasad, District Councillor ASAK Nazar, District Trainer Srini, PDG Kanna, DGN Sridhar, DGND Nandakumar, and Sumeta, District Secretary Ramesh, DRFC Ambalavanan, District Coordinators, T20 Assistant Governors, Regional Secretaries, GGRs, and I see so many number of district officers who are present here, members of Chennai Towers, aunts, aunts, and other invitees. Good evening to all. Vanakkam. Friends, 200 plus participants. What a wonderful evening it is. This is one of the installation where I see more than 200 plus participants. I have seen 130, 140, close to that, 160 also, but crossing 200 in a club installation through virtual meeting, this is the first installation that is happening in our district, and it is none other than Chennai Towers Club. Your club is a powerful club in many ways. One, you have the spouse of RID nominee Venkatesh, Vinita with your club, District Governor nominee designate spouse Sumeta in your club, and the past DRFC Sagar in your club. All you know have been in the forefront in terms of being known to all of us in the district. Every member of your club is known to all of us. You are all very active in the district. District is always looking up to your club in terms of getting support for foundation projects, be it a service project or programs or events. Every year your club has been playing a very, very proactive role. No wonder in the T20 team, we have the stalwarts from your club, starting from Umapati, Dr. Vasumati Vedantam, KC, Gopal, Anandakrishnan, Shobha, Sri Kumar, Sujitra, Sagar, Rajesh, Narang, Mala, and few others. And few others. Did you say anything, Ravi? Okay, right.
No, kindly go ahead. Sorry.
Okay. Rajesh Narang is a wonderful person. As an individual, he's a very, very friendly person. A person coming from Chennai Towers, so friendly and very close to all the connecting presidents. And he has been there in all the activities of the district. And he has been leading from the front. And any program or any event, the district has always been looking up to Rajesh Narang, and he has delivered that in great style. So when he announced the board, he started saying, Lakshya board. Rajesh, you can feel happy. Your Lakshya board has achieved all the Lakshyam that you have wanted to achieve. and you are a happy man now today. When your secretary announced, she said 106 projects, 2,600 man hours, and 106,000 beneficiaries. Very few clubs can give this sort of scoreboard because it is very difficult to assess this unless you are completely involved in the project. On a day-to-day basis, each and every involvement should be accounted for. This is what Rotary International is looking for from the clubs. Rotary India is looking for from the clubs. What did Rotary International do? To get this figure, they appointed John Hopkinson University to make a study. What was the outcome of this study? We always garner to the tune of $400 million for Rotary Foundation. Sagar is here, 384, 400. 2021 target is $410 million. So what do we do with this $400 million? Do we really contribute only $400 million to the community or the society? No, it is much, much more than that. We always used to say 100 rupees received Rotary Foundation comes back as 120, 140. Is it the figure? Do you have any assessment or any study done towards it? Yes, Rotary has done. They did a study which said, in addition to $400 million being spent directly on the programs of TRF, what is that we have achieved? 400 million man hours of service being put in by the Rotarians. To value that, it is going to be another $800 million. So in all, TRF does programs and projects worth $1.2 billion. $1.2 billion, around 9,000 crores. Do we end with that? No. This is only TRF figures. Projects, what we do, taking the help of TRF. Every club does projects to the capacity. Some clubs do 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 1 crore, 3 crore, sky is the limit. But that doesn't come to the TRF. So there was another study done by Harvard University, which went into the project details of few of the selected clubs on a random sampling method. On a scientific manner, they did this study, and that gave an astonishing figure. What did it give? $1.2 billion worth of projects done without the support of TRF directly by the clubs. So friends, you and I belong to an organization which does projects worth $2.4 billion a year. In terms of rupees, it is close to 18,000 crore per annum. With whom do you compare? It is up to you to compare. There is no other organization in the world which can take this pride. They can contribute $2,000, but does any organization contribute so much of manpower for Rotary, manpower for any NGO? Every manpower is paid in any other organization, starting from CEO to any down at the lowest level. 30 to 40% of the contribution what we make goes to the overheads and salaries, but we are in a different platform. Such wonderful organization you and I belong to. Clubs like Chennai Towers are really in the front runners in terms of achieving these magnificent targets and goals. No wonder your club has done so many good projects year after year, and last year is not an exceptional year. And Rajesh Narang, in spite of COVID, has achieved whatever he wanted to achieve, and he should be a real happy man today. Because all the projects, be it medical center, Manali or Balanetra or the cataract surgeries, dialysis centers, you have set an example in terms of dialysis center, which my club is also following. We are putting up a dialysis center in Thiruvarkadu with the support of Tanker Foundation along with Chennai Corporation for a value of $110,000. With the substantial support from Rotary Club of West. West and Central Asia have partnered, and this is going to come up in the next few months. Unfortunately, the place which was allotted to us has been converted to a COVID ward. You know, every left and right, every space is being converted to a COVID ward now. Now they have taken this place also. When the COVID goes off, definitely we'll be putting up the dialysis center at Thiruvarkadu. Your occasional service awards is another area which is to be appreciated. International service with Vinita being the service director, she has gone to many places and taken your club to greater heights. Membership, you have added 7 members. Club service, every one of us know you are top in terms of club service because Not only at your club level, when the club service was handed over to Sagar, he made a big difference during his year of club service chairmanship. If there is a benchmark for any club service activity in the district, it is always Sagar's club service year that we talk about. When we talk about Sagar, yes, I was the one who was very keen to bring Sagar as the DRFC, and without even a blink of eye, all the governors accepted his position and he was unanimously agreed for. And he has done real justice for the DRFC position. Stewardship has taken to the greatest height. And even I could not approach him for a grant which is not worth. So even there is a reference given to me, I will say this, I cannot take it to Sagar. You approach him directly. I know what the result is going to declare. So it will happen the same way. Such a straightforward person he is. And fortunately, in our district, all the DRFCs, one after the other, have been keeping the stewardship and the money that we use to the greatest possible benefit of the service of the community. That's what all the DRFCs have been doing. Today, Ambalavanan is also continuing the same service. Without a proper project, you cannot reach out to Ambalavanan. Family participation, you are a role model club. And you have set a lot of examples for others to emulate. VOD is one of the star programs of your club. If there isn't a fellowship activity which attracts majority of the clubs, I would say it is VOD. Not only VOD attracted a lot of other clubs, it has produced many super singers. Brilliant. Bulletin Towers time. Wow, what a great presentation it is always. Rajesh Naran, you are really on top. As a connecting president, I am only waiting for the awards night. Thank you, Rajesh, for giving such a wonderful year for Rotary District 3232 as a club president. And your journey starts now.
Thank you, sir.
Your journey starts now. You have miles to miles go, and wish you all the best in all the endeavors that you take up in the coming years. And I wish all your board, your board has done a wonderful job. It is not only the president's role, the entire board of 2019-20. I know how strong your board is, how effective your members are, and all of them have done justice to the year 2019-20. And in spite of COVID, you have done, during the COVID, whatever you have done is splendid. Remarkable, I would say. So coming to our friend from my own community, I would say Nagarattar, Rotarian Suresh, who has adorned the mantle of Chennai Towers. As you all said, he's a very soft-spoken person. But I could see him as a man in hurry to accomplish things. He doesn't talk much, but he always wants a result. ஆனால் இதை முதல்ல சொல்லுங்க நீங்க எனக்கு அப்படிங்கிற அளவுக்கு தான் அவரோட இது இருக்கும். அதை கேட்டோன்னு வேலையை முடிச்சிடுவார். அந்த அளவுக்கு இஸ் a man in a hurry to accomplish things. Childlike innocence always helps because no one can find fault with him. So he can have the liberty to ask anybody anything at any point of time. That's a gift, I would say, to any individual. When we grow up, we lose that quality in us. But anybody who can carry that quality for a long will be the most wanted person in terms of organizations like Rotary. His unique way of introducing the board, I like very much. And always I used to talk about the Chennai Towers as a page 3 club. Your visibility in Chennai is much more than your visibility in the district 323, I would say. Not that you are not visible. When you compare this visibility and that visibility, many times we see you in the newspaper, in the front page or in the third page most of the time, for all good things, I would say. So such a kind of strength this club has got. And my good friend Suresh is taking over as the leader in such a wonderful club. And he has got great plans for the year 2021. I know he didn't spell out much, but I know what amount of plans he has got for the year 2021. When I say page 3 clubs, yes, not only in Kollywood, Bollywood, everywhere you are seeing Satish Jupiter, Rajesh, Raji, and many others. You are not only a best actor in the film industry, but you are also best actors in the Rotary world, I would say. Because Rotary needs people like you to take up a lot of good things amongst our community. I would seek your help for some sort of a documentary to be produced for Orange project. You know, that is a signature project of the district. We are going to produce a documentary. Definitely, I will seek your help in terms of making that happen. Our public image chair, Nachipun, will be in touch with you. Your club has got another stalwart, Rotarian Gopal, who is heading the lake restoration team of our 2021, and he is also a very keen water conservationist. So he is going to do a lot of good things for our district. Your fundraisers are always looked up to. You just like that raise 70 lakhs, 60 lakhs, 1 crore, which your club can only do. And you have a balanced approach in all the areas, and all your office bearers are effective. You are a system-based club, and you are going to do wonders this year, Rotarian Suresh and your board. When I think of Orange, I remember an article that I read some time back. Orange is a project giving vision to millions of people in our community. We have targeted 10 million population in Chennai to be the beneficiary by providing 200 vision centers across Chennai, in and around of Chennai. It will go up to Tindivanam. If I mean Chennai, it will go up to Tindivanam. The peripheral areas of Chennai also included. 200 vision centers at a cost of 13 lakhs each. More than 26 crore is the value of the project, and close to $1.5 million worth of global grant is in the pipeline, and we have completed few of the applications now, and rest of the applications will go before June 30th. As you all might know, any application that is submitted in a locked form before June 30th will receive cash contribution match of 50%. If $1,000 is given to a project, $500 match is given by the TRF for any global grant project. That benefit is available till June 30th. Starting from July 1st, this has been removed. Why? What is the reason? Because our contribution to APF, what we call it is Annual Program Fund, which comes back as the word match for global grants, is diminishing year by year. So we don't have enough money to match the 100% match what we get for DDF. Since Sagar is there, I think all your club members might be aware of the DDF and other terms what I am talking about. So we are into a troublesome years ahead with very little of APF. The match for global grants is going to come down. So they have removed the cash contribution match. We all felt this is not the right time to remove that, but trustees have decided to go ahead and remove this. They were talking about this for quite a long time, but unfortunately we are stuck with this decision at this point in time. That's the reason we are rushing through many global grants. If your club has got a global grant for next year, quickly come up with the grant application and put it up in the locked mode. No need for submission. Then coming July 1st, you can do a little modification also if you want, and then submit the grant for approval. This is what Rotary Foundation has told. So friend, there was an article in a newspaper. It reported that a woman complained saying that Anita Patel went to an hospital, he got operated. So the report says, Anita Patel has sued a reputed hospital saying that after her husband had surgery in the hospital, he has lost interest in me. This was the complaint that went to the court, saying that after the surgery, my husband lost interest in me. Court had a hearing. The spokesperson from the hospital came and replied, yes, Patel was admitted for a surgery. The surgery done was cataract surgery. All we did was corrected his eyesight. Friends, this is not a joke. I experienced this even in my home. My dad is around 94 years. He is hale and healthy. But starting from 60, 65 year onwards, or even 70 year onwards, he was not agreeing for a cataract surgery. And he had a lot of eye surgeons as his friend at Madurai Aravinda Hospital. My classmates were there, schoolmates were there. Sujitra Sagar and me were studying in TVS Lakshmi in Madurai. He was perhaps a junior to me. Don't think that he is a classmate to me, then his age will be a problem to you. so much junior to me. So in TVS Lakshmi, we had friends from Aravind Eye Hospital. They are all leading doctors now. So he used to go and sit with them and then talk for hours together, but he will not agree for a surgery. This went on for many years. Well, I brought him to Chennai for having him with me. I took him to Aravind Chennai. I took him to all the hospitals, Agarwal, Shankar Netralaya, many places we visited. But none of the places he was convinced. When we went to Aravind, he was convinced. So doctor said, we'll perform the surgery. That surgery was not urgent because that cataract is a different form of cataract, which doesn't need emergency surgery at any point of time. So long as his vision is okay, comfortable, he can be left without surgery. But doctor said your age is also catching up, so better to do a surgery now. So we did the surgery. From very next day, I had a different issue. He started calling me saying that I have a problem in the eye which I got operated. I said, what is the problem? He said, I see all the autos in bright yellow colors. I said, Dad, autos are yellow in color. That is only bright yellow color. No, I have not seen such autos. Something wrong with my eye. You have to take me to the eye surgeon immediately. I'm really disturbed. So I said, no, this is the color of the auto. He never believed me. Then I called up the doctor and said, this is the issue my father is facing. Doctor said, for the last 20-25 years, he has been seeing auto in a different yellow color. He has not seen the original yellow. Now that he is seeing the original yellow, he is psychologically upset. Console him, convince him. Next 2-3 days or 4 days, he'll be all right. So every now and then I have to say, you're all right, you're all right. I will say, doctor is busy. I cannot take you now. Finally, after 4-5 days, he started believing that that is the color of the auto. See, when this is happening at my place, at my house, what is the fate of people who are down the line, who are downtrodden? They are working in the farm, they are working as a coolie without proper eyesight. 90% of the population doesn't care for their eye. Only 10% of the population go for eye checkup. Every one of the population needs eye checkup in some point of the time in their life. Some need at 20, some need at 40, some need at 50. So when that is the need, we don't have enough vision centers across India. 20,000 vision centers are needed, but we have only 1,000 vision centers across India. And Tamil Nadu has got only 70 vision centers for the last 15 years. Friends, within 6 months of time, we are coming up with 100 plus vision centers in and around Chennai alone. When Tamil Nadu has got only 70 vision centers, see the power of Rotary, see the power of 3232. This is what I have been talking to all the T20 leaders. Chennai has not properly utilized the resources, or it has not got a program or a project or challenging enough for Rotarians to come up to the expectation. This has been an eye-opener, and all the president-elects have taken this cue. More than 100 vision centers commitment have come. $1.5 million worth of global grants being filed now. And I see past Governor Sampath here. The moment he heard that we are doing something like this, he started fighting with me. I want a cluster in Tiruvannamalai. So every day I'm receiving his call. We are putting up a cluster in Tiruvannamalai with the support of Aravind Eye Hospital, Pondicherry. We are putting up a cluster is 8 vision centers at a cost of 1 crore 5 lakhs. We are putting up a cluster around Coimbatore. We are putting up a cluster around Karaikudi, where myself and Suresh hail from. 8 centers are going to come up around Karaikudi without any contribution from our district. The community around Karaikudi, they have raised 65 lakhs, and with the support of Rotary Foundation through 3212 district, we are completing that 8 centers also. All these are happening even before the year is starting. COVID or no COVID, this is what is happening in our district. All of you would have experienced, Chennai Tower would have experienced this in many of your projects. For my friends here in T20, President-elect and Secretary-elect, what is needed is a challenging project, a person to carry the passion, and the right partner with you. Rotary cannot handle anything on their own. Rotary clubs cannot take up such big projects. Should have the right project with the right partnership at the right time. If you have this, money is not an issue. There are plenty of people who are willing to donate for a good cause. My request to Chennai Towers, yes, you have been doing excellent community service project. Think of something which is really, really big. not only our district should look up to Chennai Towers, the entire Rotary India should look up to Chennai Towers. If I have to compare any other district, I will compare with Mumbai, 3014, 3041. Friends, we talk about 5 AKS member in our district. There are 40 AKS members in Mumbai. That might be a financial hub, but are we not nearer to them? Chennai is good enough to have few more AKS member, and I eagerly look forward to one AKS member in the year 2021 from Chennai Towers. Not only AKS member, a project that will challenge that AKS member, that will make donors to give contribution to the level of AKS. That is what is required at this point in time. I thought I should talk about foundation to a club which is good at foundation. So with Sagar in your club and with the celebrity quotient in your club, you got all the strength, you got all the means. Take up a real signature project. Of course, all your projects are signature projects, but a project which will challenge yourself, test your limits. That is what is required for Chennai Towers. With the leadership of Rotarian Suresh, who has been taking care of the medical center day in and day out, I am confident that he will bring up that project, which will be supported by other clubs also. From the district, we are willing to support any programs like Orange. Orange brings in every element that is required for a Rotary project. It brings in the enough public image, it brings in right partnership, it brings in a large beneficiary at a very low cost. At a cost of 26 rupees, we are able to reach out to the population, 26 rupees per beneficiary. When I talk about dialysis, I say it costs around 85,000 rupees per beneficiary. Even my club is doing, your club is doing, all the clubs are doing. Good, that is a project that is required. But the amount of money that we spent in terms of per beneficiary benefit, we look at it, that is a very high cost intensive project dialysis centers are. For 85 lakhs, we put up 10 dialysis machine. 10 dialysis machine can treat 200 patients. 100 patients plus, if I'm right, 100 patients. The cost will be around 85,000 rupees per patient. Good, that is required. But such big projects, even after my club proposing one and submitting the global grant, after seeing Orange, I feel we should look up to projects which has got large population being benefited. So this Orange has come very handy for all of us, and I request the support of Chennai Towers for this project also, along with many other projects what you are planning to do. It has been a happy day for me being with the Chennai Towers. I always have the pleasure of being one amongst you whenever I come to Chennai Towers. So is all the past district governors who are here. And my good friend Shobha and Sriram Raju has assured me great support during the year 2021. And I know all of you in your club, and I'll be reaching out to you in terms of enhancing the programs and projects of our district through your club support, and wish Rotarian Suresh and the entire board all the very best for 2021. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, DG Muthupalniappan, for those words of encouragement. We could clearly see you were at home with us. Like I said earlier, you needed no introduction to RCCT or vice versa. Just for those green Rotarians in the room, what the DG actually said was 18,000 crores per annum roughly translates to about $2.5 billion. And that's approximately 12% of what the government of India spends for the welfare of scheduled castes and scheduled tribes in the country every year for about 400 million people. So that's the statistic. That's how powerful we are as an organization. And that's how impactful a change we can be in the community. So having said that, it's time for me to, I've been abused for this, but I'm sorry. I have to recognize the presence of PDG Srini, DGN Sridhar, PDG Sampath, AG Designate Sujata Ramesh Babu. I hope it's one name. I'm just reading out three names together because that's how I got it. AG Designate Nandagopal. So with that, I think the recognitions for visiting Rotarians are kind of done. And from the list I can see, I think we've lost about 30 of them. That's okay. Without further ado, I think now I'd like to call upon the newly minted club secretary, Stella. Oops, I'm sorry. Rotarian Venkatesh to make his announcements and then propose the vote of thanks, please.
Thank you, Ravi. Start off with the announcements. A very good evening to one and all. We have quite a lot of birthdays coming up. Rotarian Colonel Lakshman celebrates his birthday today, along with Anat Sishir Praveen. Incoming Literacy Chair, Rotarian Amuda, celebrates her birthday tomorrow, the 26th. Anat Shraddha Sriram celebrates her birthday on the 27th. Green Rotarian Sunil Soni has his birthday on the 30th of June. Incoming First Lady's birthday is on the 1st of July. So our newly minted president, R.M. Suresh, has more reason to celebrate his first day as a club president. And at Bharat Narang also celebrates his birthday on the 1st of July. And at Tejashwini celebrates her birthday on the 3rd of July. Our beloved past president, Sanjay Dattatri, was born on the 4th of July. So he celebrates his birthday along with all the US citizens. Rotarian Padmaja Venkatram celebrates her birthday on the 5th. And Anne Sharanya Anand celebrates her birthday on the 8th. Happy birthday, guys. Moving on to anniversaries. Past President Rotarian Raji Vijay Sardi celebrates her anniversary on the 1st of July. Happy anniversary, Raji and Vijay. We'll be having our club assembly on Thursday, the 9th of July. That's all on the announcements, folks. Moving on to the vote of thanks. Winston Churchill famously said, "This is not the end. It's not even the beginning of the end, but it is perhaps the end of the beginning of a new Rotary year." So let me start by thanking our impeccable District Governor-elect, Rotarian Muthu Palaniappan, for graciously accepting to be the chief guest tonight. Thank you, Rotarian Muthu. It's been an honor. I would also like to thank the galaxy of PDGs, district officials, our AG Rotarian Ashraf, connecting presidents and secretaries, T20 presidents and secretaries, fellow Rotarians, family and friends. Thank you all for taking the time to attend our installation. We really appreciate your presence. A special thanks to District Governor nominee, Rotarian Sridhar, and DGND, Rotarian Nandu, for your presence today. I'd also like to thank District Secretary, Rotarian Ganapati Suresh, and District Secretary-elect, Rotarian Ramesh, joining us. My good friend for over 2 decades, the District Treasurer-elect, Rotarian Narayanan. Thanks for coming, bro. My dear RCCT family, thanks for joining us today and looking forward to your unconditional support throughout the year. Love you guys. Thank you, Rotarian Rajesh, Rotarian Jayashree, and the board members for all the support. Moving on to the installation. Rotarian Padmaja, the classy lady behind all the classy invites. We unscrupulously exploit her talents all the time, and she always delivers with a smile. Thanks for all your support, Paddy. Rotarian Prasad, thank you for your melodious invocation. It was lovely. Rotarian Sam, thanks so much for doing the handover videos on such short notice. And Anita, thanks for all your valuable inputs and for helping out with all the presentations. I also got to thank her in advance for all the presentations she'll be doing next year. So thanks to the installation committee comprising of Rotarians Rajesh, RM Suresh, Ishwar, Krishi Chandar, Jayashree, Satish K, and Ravi for all the support. Rotarian Rajendran, thanks for assisting us with the Zoom meeting today. And last but not the least, the sometimes offensive and always obnoxious Ravi Varanasi, our MC for tonight. Thanks so much for keeping all of us entertained with your humorous quips and for seamlessly moving things along. One of the few good things of being in lockdown mode is that we were able to pin down our usually globetrotting MC. Thanks again, buddy. You were fantastic. Hope I haven't missed anyone. If I have, please excuse the oversight. It was not intentional. So thanks again. Back to you, Ravi.
Thanks, Secretary Venkatesh. I think it's about time we stood up for the national anthem. So everybody, if you could kindly stand up for the national anthem, I'm going to play the audio and you can sing along. Thank you. Can I now request President RM Suresh to kindly adjourn the meeting, please? And RCCT folks, for those of you not in a hurry, you're requested to stay back for the fellowship. We would invite whoever else wants to stay back to stay back. It's a fellowship in your own house, so till the neighbors come screaming, you're free to stay. So over to RM Suresh. President RM Suresh, can you adjourn the meeting, please? Hello, can somebody actually tell him that the meeting is still
Yes,
on and he's good?
Yes, Ravi.
Oh, that's
Okay, thank you. All right, folks, thank you very much. Okay, so you can unmute yourself.
Thank you. Thank you all for coming.
Yeah.
Thank
the
you,
best,
Ravi.
Suresh.
Yeah.
Good